everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 797 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am going to be trying out the Folly Fire Powder Blush. They call it the Cereal Blusher and I have it in two shades to try out. So let me show you the packaging on this. I think it's so cute. Even like the outside box packaging is adorable. But it's a very unique shape with this kind of pointed design. And what I have here is the shade Guilty. This comes in 3 different shades, but I am so intrigued by this shade here, Guilty. It's definitely more of a purpley shade than I would normally try out. So this is gonna be a little out of my comfort zone, but I'm really excited about it. The other shade that I have is called Speculation, and this is a really pretty pink, definitely more of a shade that I'm usually drawn to. So I'm gonna try both of these out, and they are very different, so it'll be really cool to see the comparison. But so, like I said, these are from Folly Fire, which is a relatively new brand to me, but I have been loving the products that I've tried out. The Folly Fire eyeshadow palette that I tried out a couple days ago was mind-blowingly good. If you haven't seen that video, I will have it linked down below. So Folly Fire did send me these products in PR, so they were sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. These are going to be all my honest thoughts and opinions. But these blushes retail for $17.99. There is a third shade also available. So I'm gonna start out by swatching. Ooh, very buttery texture. Oh my gosh, like I love this shade of pink. It's kind of like a natural blush type of shade for me. This one is fully matte. And this one looks like it has a little bit of shimmer to it. Oh my gosh, this shade is a gorgeous shade of purple. Like I'm going to use that as an eyeshadow. It is so pretty. And it does have a really pretty glow to it from that shimmer. So here is what they look like. Amazing pigment. And these are vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and fragrance-free. So to start out, I'm gonna go for the shade that is a little bit more in my comfort zone, this one called Speculation, and I'm gonna pick up my fluffy blush brush. I just kind of wish this had a mirror in it. That would make this cool packaging even better. And let's see. Oh, yes, I love this color. It's such like it's like a happy, rosy pink. Oh, and it applies so beautifully. Great pigment. Like it blends out immediately. Looks so good. Smooth, undetectable on my cheek. I love that. That looks exactly like how I would hope. Definitely a blush that I would reach for, purchase, apply all the time because it just gives like a healthy rosiness to the cheeks. So funny how much blush I apply, but I feel like blush does tend to come off on me throughout the day, but this says it's supposed to last for 10 hours. So that's perfect because I really like my blush to stay in place, and because I want my blush to stay in place, and that's why I tend to have a heavy hand with my blush because a lot of times it doesn't stay. But since this is so pigmented and it does have that staying power, you don't have to worry about layering it up as much as I do. And now to try out the shade Guilty. So Folly Fire was so generous, and they also sent me this amazing brush, which is so unbelievably soft. Like it feels like I'm petting one of my cats. Like it's so soft and so cute, the design of it. So this is the brush that I'll try out for this shade. But at least, even if this blush color doesn't look good on me, I'm definitely going to use this as an eyeshadow because it is such a gorgeous plum shade. So let's see. Like, you can see how pigmented it is. Ooh, this brush feels so nice on my face. It doesn't really look, doesn't really look right. Oh my gosh, look at the color difference. Like, this is more of like a warm tone. This is much more of a cool tone that just doesn't look healthy on my skin. Like this one, I love like the healthy rosy cheeks. This is more of a, on my skin tone, just a little bit less flattering. Oh, I'm so bummed because I love this color, like the way it's swatched, but it really does not look, doesn't look good on me. It looks more like a rash shade on me, which is such a bummer because it is such a beautiful formula. Once it's on the skin, it doesn't look shimmery, glittery, just a little bit of glow. Like, I love having a little hint of shimmer in my blushes. But wow, I guess I kind of thought that this was going to look better than it actually does. But that's okay. Like I said, I'm still going to get great use out of this because it's a gorgeous eyeshadow shade. Like, I'm kind of getting into those like plum, red types of eyeshadow looks. And the purple is supposed to be complementary to green eyes. So this will not go to waste. I just keep laughing at myself when I see my cheek in the mirror. But this is definitely a blush shade that would look beautiful on so many different skin tones. But I also love that Folly Fire has such a difference in their blush shades. So even though this shade doesn't work for my skin tone, this one works beautifully. So I'm happy. These are amazing formulas. So Folly Fire continues to impress me. I am so impressed by this brush. Like, oh my gosh, so soft on my face. So seriously, if you have not tried out any Folly Fire products, I highly recommend you check them out because everything I've tried so far has been like some of the best formulas and best quality makeup products that I've seen or tried. And thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope that you and your loved ones are staying safe during this crazy time that just doesn't seem to have an end in sight. So I hope that you're hanging in there. Stay safe, stay healthy, and please, if you would leave a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try out every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.